because I don't want it completely doughy. I mean, I guess if I keep adding water, that's what it's going to continue to make. But I like the sound of this. If this is the sound that I'm having, then I like this. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that sound, it's like a creamy texture rubbing against something. I like that sound for stress balls. So that's going to be my sound for today's stress ball, but you can do whatever one you want. But I may have to whip up a second batch just because this may not fill my balloon completely. But you don't want it filled completely because then you can't tie it off, and it's a nightmare. So now we're going to take one of our balloons. That one got a little messy right there, so we're just going to use one for the balloon. So here's where the note card comes in handy, the index card. So you may have seen this before, but I'm going to make this a funnel. So I'm going to take this. It's kind of confusing at first. You have to roll it up very tiny, but you want to make the end smaller than the top. So it is very confusing, but it works. So let me just do one real fast. Alright, there's what it looks like. It's kind of like a weird thingy-mabobber, but it works. So that's good. That's what it looks like. Now the hard part of this funnel, this type of funnel, is getting it into the balloon. Now I'm gonna remake mine just because it's kind of lopsided. But let's insert some music so that I can struggle, but you guys will still see me do that. So insert the music. Alright, now I have my funnel ready. Now I'm going to put it in my balloon. Finally got that done. I'm going to put it down like that. And then I'm actually going to use my knife here. Okay, so yeah, for my knife, I'm going to have to take small pieces at a time because my funnel is not very big, like the opening. So I'm going to have to take very small pieces. So let's see how we do this. I'm going to keep working, and I will still be on camera so I can show you how to do it. But insert the music right now. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm getting a little too messy with this because my funnel ended up getting stuck. So I had to completely redo my funnel, and as you can see, my funnel is my hands at the moment. Because my funnel kind of failed. But I'm going to keep fighting for it. Now, if you have a funnel, that is so great. Because you need one for this project. And I forgot, I forgot the funnel. So, I had to make like my own funnel, and it didn't work. But I'm going to continue stuffing it with the stuff, and after I finish stuffing it, I'm going to put water down it just so it can get a bit like liquidy. But guys, this is way harder than it looks. I'm sorry you can't see it. It's very messy. But I'm going to keep using my hands because I think it's easier. And yeah. Alright, I think I've accomplished the task. I'm very, very messy. But on the plus side, look at this stress ball. Okay, I'm going to tie it off later off camera. But look at that stress ball. It's kind of messy on the outside because of my hands. But it's so squishy. I love it. Wow. See, this recipe does really work if you do not have cornstarch. I just decided to not use my cornstarch today, just to show you different ways that you could do it. But wow, it actually turned out amazing. A little bit messier than I thought it would be. But hey, we have a stress ball. Look at that. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Ending a little messy. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video like this one. And please comment, like, if you have any ideas. If you would like me to make a different stress ball with like different stuff, I definitely comment, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.